I was talking with Andrew at Yamaha, and we were kind of discussing how future product is made. And what are the influence, what are the forces that cause something to be birthed? And he laughed and he says 90% is dealer feedback. 90% is dealer feedback. And he joked at one point, he says, we respect the guys at Cycle Springs Power Sports in Clearwater. He said, we respect those guys so much. If they told us to build a rocket to the moon, we'd ask them, how soon do you need it? He's like, absolutely. There's about 24 dealers that we really, really, really pay attention to. I was like, oh, really? And he goes, yeah. He goes, we always listen to what these guys say. And so the feedback was, where's your fishing, to Yamaha came from like, where's your fishing ski? Or where's your answer to the tricks? Or where's your spark? Or where's your braking system? And so that the input from the dealers to Yamaha put Yamaha in a position where they were always playing catch up. They were never actually ahead of the 8-ball. And that, the few times that you saw them really ahead of the 8-ball, I frankly believe was the FZ series and then segueing into the GPs. And the GP hit the market and the dealers were like, whoa, we need this. So you'll find more times than not that the dealer or the feedback from the customer to the dealer and then the dealer to the OE rep and then from the OE rep to the OE, that's the chain of events, is that it starts with the buyer. It starts with the customer. And that feedback is invaluable to the dealer because that dealer relays it to the OE. And we can kind of see that reverse chain of events if you start looking at innovation, you start looking at changes made to personal watercraft. Just watch the industry. So it was interesting in discussing that because I kind of saw a little bit of the corporate culture. And I've said this before, and I'm going to repeat it, was that one of the more interesting things that was told to me and to Jerry Gaddis and Greg Gaddis from Green Hulk, was back in the 2021 rollout, was that Yamaha was focusing more on phone integration and infotainment. Those were his words, was phone integration and infotainment than high performance and speed. In fact, they felt that was secondary. Their marketing research had come back saying more people want crap that integrates with their phone more than they wanted stripped down performance. And I kind of was like, really? Where are you getting that? And they're like, well, dude, we send out surveys all the time. And we talk to our dealers all the time. And our dealers and our surveys are coming back saying, I want more comfort. I want more bells and whistles. I don't want to be wet. I want to be dry. I want it to be stable. I want it to be cushy. I don't want cold wind blowing past my face or whatever. And so Yamaha is like, okay, well, your wish is my command.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.